get guacamole with me. I'm going to show you the recipe that the head chef from Spago in Beverly Hills likes to use, and we like to use too in our household. Now, we already diced these avocados using an Instagram viral hack. Check out our other Instagram video on that. So we're already a step ahead of you here. We've already got our diced avocado in here. We've got the pit sitting in here. It keeps it from going brown. You know, that's just not appetizing. So we're going to remove the pit here. And the chef from Spago recommended preparing this in the style of where he grew up in Central America. So we're going to start with mashing this a little bit here. We used really ripe avocado, which will make this process easier. We recommend that you look at the color. And then feel it for a little bit of give on the skin. You want sort of a dark, almost black color to the avocado. And of course, you can mash this in a couple different ways. He only uses one seasoning, which surprised us at the time, but he uses oregano leaves only. So that way you showcase the flavor of the avocado, you get that buttery nuttiness, the flavor, and the depth of the oregano flavor really balances that nuttiness really well. So we're just going to go ahead and add this in to taste. I like it a little more. You might choose a little less. Everybody's method on making guacamole is different, and we'll go ahead and continue to mix that in. So other people might add lemon. That's another way to prevent it from going brown, is adding some lemon juice in there or lime juice. Onions, garlic, chili powder, those are all popular options. For those who like things a little bit on the milder side, this is a great option that adds a great bit of flavor to it. You see now we're at a really lovely consistency, and the oregano is really well mixed in there, and all we have to do is serve. Now, we recommend serving immediately, but if it's going to sit for a while, we recommend just putting this pit right back in here and nestling it in there a little bit, and that will help keep the avocado from going brown. Save this video so you can try this recipe for yourself. Let us know what you think in the comments.